I tell you what, spring's not officially here, but here in Martinsville, when we have this business show, it's really the start of spring. We've got Corey with SOVAH Health here. We're actually standing right where the booth's going to be. Corey, tell me what the business show means to SOVAH.
The business show means to SOVAH that we get to have our staff and our providers that can make it out outside of our hospital walls and into the community, meeting the people that we routinely see within our walls outside in a public setting to give them more knowledge of the services that we provide here at the hospital and maybe give them some insight into some things that they might not have thought about their health.
So on Tuesday night with all the folks in here, this will be kind of a celebration for y'all too, won't it?
Oh, absolutely. It's it's a great time for us to get out and celebrate the things that we are bringing into the community from a hospital perspective. We have a new nurse practitioner who's starting soon. She'll be on site here during the trade show to meet people and also get information to people about living their healthiest lives. That's kind of what our theme is wrapped around, but also tying into the show's theme of milestones. For example, with lung cancer screenings, you hit that age milestone of 50 to 77.
I'm getting it now. You're saying milestones to your life.
Yes, absolutely, yeah. So if you hit those milestones, here's what you need to be thinking about. March is Colon Cancer Awareness Month, okay. And depending on your family history, it could be 45 or 40 years old. You hit that milestone, then you need to get checked out. So we're going to have information on cardiovascular, colonoscopies, lung cancer screenings. We're also going to have information about our family practices, family medicine. So if you have little ones, pediatrics, just general family medicine, those milestones as you're growing up where you need to get immunizations and checked out for certain things. So tying in the milestones with living your healthiest life to the fullest.
Right. How about folks that just might have a basic question about the hospital? Would it be a good time, especially on Public Day, which is March the 6th from 4 to 7, would that be a good time to just ask basic hospital questions?
Oh, absolutely. We'll have representatives here from multiple service lines. So I'll be here, as the Director of Marketing Communications. We have our Growth and Outreach Liaison that's coming, and then service line directors that touch pretty much every department of the hospital. So if there's questions that people have, somebody here will be able to answer it because there's a lot of longevity with those positions as well. Those people have worked within the hospital for a long time, so they really know what's going on.
I gotcha. Now, I know you keep saying it's a nurse practitioner. Is that the little office behind McDonald's?
Yes, correct. So that'll be SOVAH Family Medicine, Martinsville, that's located on Commonwealth Boulevard. Opened that new clinic up last year. Dr. Nakembe is the primary MD there, but Aisha Penn, she's a nurse practitioner. We start seeing patients there April 1st.
Right. Is that for folks that just want to get a checkup or tell me what the main reason for that is?
Yeah, it is checkup. You need a PCP, primary care provider. You need checkups. You need immunizations. You need physicals, anything like that. That's the place to go.
Because everybody really needs a doctor, don't they?
Oh, absolutely. Yep.
If you're going to live your healthiest life, you've got to have a doctor.
Your routine checkups, yearly basis, or if something comes up you're just not too sure about, schedule an appointment, come in, get checked out, and if you need to see a specialist, then they can refer you to the person that can take care of what you really need.
Right. We're making it our theme more in 24 here at Star News, and I know you guys at the hospital. Yeah, I tell you what, things seem to be going pretty well there.
Yeah, things are going fantastic. Always things to work on, but we are, trying to grow. Like I said, we're bringing on a new practitioner here in April. We have some other physicians, down the line in 2024 that may be joining SOVAH to bring more specialties or more specialty providers to the area as well. So great things are happening. And I know we interviewed Dr. Bogle last month for Heart Month. We're ending up here. New technologies. We talked about CoraFlow for the heart, so that's coming up here real shortly. We'll be getting some more information out to the public about that as well.
One thing I'm always telling folks is that SOVAH Health is a network. We're talking about, if you may have a service in Danville that people can use, so you can really take advantage of the whole network, can't you?
Absolutely. SOVAH Health is a market. We're technically one hospital with two facilities, Danville and Martinsville. So if there isn't a service line that we have here in Martinsville, we can easily transport you or transfer you over to our Danville facility to get taken care of, and vice versa. Yeah. So we do have, some specialists that see certain things here in Martinsville that they don't see in Danville, and we just share that information back and forth. Yep, keep it all within one system.
Keep it moving, too. I love it. All right, folks, the trade show, Fast Track 2024, will be right here in this building come March the 5th. It's right around the corner. For the VIP business folks, you might want to connect up with folks to get those tickets. But the general public can come on March the 5th, $2 a ticket, or brings 2 canned food goods. I think that's how you get in, and that starts between 4 and 7. So this is really what we call the kickoff of the year right here in Martinsville, Henry County. You definitely want, if you want to know what's going on, this is where you need to be.